Welcome, scalpers. Thanks for joining this quick lesson on the advanced way to take all the signals of the Ultimate Scalper indicators, whether it's Ultimate AI or signals, any one of them, and any signal on either of them. You can take them in a new way that's more advanced, it's a little trickier, but it will get you in sooner. It will prevent many of the losses from bad signals. And if it's a good signal, it will get you in earlier and have more gain. Okay, so it's very easy. So what we want to do is we're going to, when we get first see a signal appear as the candle is being generated, and if it breaks in the direction, if it breaks the high of the previous candle, we enter right then and there as it's doing the breakout. Like, for instance, this small green broke out of this green candle high right here, so we would enter right here. This large red didn't break anything, we leave it alone. Original way to get in is at the close, and that's fine. But we have this small red, and it breaks through the bottom here. We get into that early, and then we can get into any one of the trades again on their original way to take them. If this didn't happen on a breakout and I wanted to get in on the close, get in on the close. If this didn't break out, or even if it did and I made money and it pulled back and then it broke the low, its original way to take the trade, we can get in again. It's not as confusing as it sounds. We're just, if we have a signal and it breaks through the bottom here, we enter here. If it pulls back, we can get in again if we want to. And then if there's another signal being generated during a candle formation and it breaks the previous low here, we get in there. And if you want to, you can get in again. It's just a better way and another way to take ultimate scalper signals, which could prevent you from the losses on bad signals. And in the following video, there's examples. They're what I could find during the day. They're not the absolute best examples, but you'll get the idea if you watch and learn how to take these trades. There's 3 ways to take each signal in the direction of the arrow. On the breakout, at the close, or the breakout of the signal candle. Welcome, scalpers. Reece Cadaval here, ultimatescalper.com. We're going to do some trades today using only the indicator, no price action. And I'll just be taking the trades off the signals using the advanced method, which is the breakout of the previous bar method of taking the trades. So let's see if we can find some today. If we look here at the NQ 5-minute, we had a nice double signal here with the large and small off of AI. It didn't quite break the top during candle formation, but on the signals indicator it did, passed right through it, so that would have been the entry here. If you were taking if you have signals, if you have AI, it would have been at the close, right around the same spot. Okay, we did have a breakout here, and I got in just a little bit late on the second breakout. We have ultimate AI signal with a small arrow underneath it. Let's see if we can make any kind of money on this trade. Okay, this ATM set my first set of stops in there and they got taken out. I've got two more contracts on. I'll bring my second set in to lock in some profit. All right, so my second set of out of the five got taken out and a trade off the breakout. That worked as good. Signals are right here. Breakout over the previous bar was right here. Moving stops in to lock profit in. Okay, stopped out of both of those. Okay, see how we have double arrows. We have Ultimate AI and signals forming as it broke through the previous bar here for a spectacular trade. We also had the first trade over here. And yeah, very nice advanced way to take the signals. Okay, again we have large green, AI, as if it breaks through the high here, I'm going to get in with a buy, and it did. First stop is in place. Moving my target up, getting ready with my second stop. Have both stops in place now. Moving them both up. Getting stopped out on one of them. Okay, it'll probably pull back now and get me out. Or not. Okay, and now I'm finally stopped out. Signals, breakout, enter. The advanced way to take the signals on the breakout is a fantastic way to prevent the losses and get in on good signals, even if they disappear later. These are really great when the previous bar is really small. Now, when the previous bar is long, less chance you're going to get in with even more move to go to profit. Like this is a long candle. If it reaches here, profit may be very quickly and quick and small. Okay, it didn't break out, but if you took it on the close down here, it would have been a winner. I am getting a small green here, so I could take the breakout here on the 1 minute. It's going to be a very quick trade for me. I'm not going to let it go below this point. Okay, I'm going to lock in here. All right, quick little scalp on the 1 minute. I quickly have a signal here, and it opened up here and dropped down. I didn't catch the break, but if it does it again, I will catch it. All right, two signals here, and I got the breakout here for a second time. NQ moves really quickly, especially on the 1 minute, but it did work, and if I took it on the close here, it would have worked as well. Not for a whole lot, but enough. So I'm strictly going to take signal breakouts of the previous bar. I'm not going to follow any stochastic or Bollinger Bands or EMA or anything. If it shows a signal and it breaks out, I'm going to take the trade for a scalp. NQ 5 minute chart. I have the arrow. It's being generated. I got 4 minutes left. This could disappear, but if it breaks through here, I'm going to try to grab a little bit off it. Not looking at anything else. Of course, you can, but I'm just trying to show the entry. You see that? Okay, that was quick. Got my stop in very quickly. Two signals breaking through the previous high, and I think I'm using 5 contracts on the NQ.